Hello, Ken Weller here with New Tech Inventors. It's been a busy last couple weeks. We're trying to get caught up on a lot of different projects here at New Tech Inventors. And a couple of the biggest ones are getting videos made, content for Facebook and for the website, descriptions and uses of the NTI Helping Hand and also the Lap Diner. So in the process of doing these videos, I've posted and will be posting a couple of them. We're trying to get short, descriptive videos that people can look at and within a very short period of time get an idea of what these products are capable of. So it's been a new experience for me, and doing this for the first time, I think it's coming along okay. I've got a lot of help from my web designer, Julia. She's hanging in there with me and going to be taking some of this stuff that I'm doing and refine it and make it viewable. So I'll go ahead and post a couple of these, put them on now, and let you kind of take a look at them, see what you think, see if I am condensing content to where it's useful and can be interpreted by the viewer. So again, let me know what you think. Okay, this first video is how to configure the NTI Helping Hand. Now let's assemble the helping hand. First, we're going to put in the extension arm accessory with the clamp, and we have the flex arm alligator clamp on that. Next, we'll put in the 3-port adapter with the 2 plastic clamps on it, and then last we'll put in the media holder adapter with the LED on it, and lock them in place, and we'll plug in the power for our LED, and then we have our 3 clamps and our LED light. Now to take this apart is very simple. You unplug this power adapter, unlock it, just remove these different attachments, and then you can configure it in some other way. You could put the LED on the bottom, these clamps in the middle. You could put this tool holder up on the top side, lock it in place, and do a configuration like this. Plug your power in, have a light, have your clamps, so that's how easy and quickly you can totally reconfigure the thing. If you decide you don't want this up here, you can put the filler in and just have 2 clamps and your LED light. So very easy to reconfigure and change these. Here we have the clamp, the round clamp for the Dremel tool. So we could put a Dremel tool in here, and we could have some clamps, or maybe we wouldn't need a clamp. Maybe we just want to put our LED light in here and put some power on it, and put our filler up here, and have our Dremel tool be grinding something and have lights so you can see what you're doing. So these are different configurations with the 10-piece starter set portable mount helping hand. Okay, this next video is going to be connecting a flex arm accessory to adapters, and it just is a quick example of how that you can connect flex arm accessories to the adapters for the helping hand. There are many different ways you can configure the helping hand because you have various ports on different adapters and various flex arm accessories that you can add to those in different configurations. So let's go ahead and do a couple configurations here. Okay, here's our 3-port adapter, and now we've put 2 plastic clamps on it. Okay, here's our 3-port adapter with extension arm, and we've put the alligator clamp in this port. And here is our media adapter, and we've put the LED flex arm accessory in one of the ports on it. Okay, this last video is titled "What Tools Are Needed for Assembling the Helping Hand?" And the answer is a simple Phillips screwdriver. But this video also shows you how to use that screwdriver and the different adjustments and things that you would do to assemble and use the NTI helping hand. And the only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver for adjusting the tension, for pivoting the head, or pivoting the height of it by adjusting the base. So a Phillips screwdriver, 2 adjusting screws, and then of course use the same Phillips screwdriver to replace this clamp with the other tool clamp, round tool clamp, and also use the same Phillips screwdriver for tightening this screw for adapting cameras or video cameras or tablet holders, so forth. Okay, now that we've got those 3 short videos out, look at them and let me know what you think. Give me any of your recommendations, pros and cons. Anything that might help us would be appreciated as far as getting them to where they will be able to function well on Facebook and different social media platforms, and also on our website and Facebook page. Now, the other videos that I'm working on is where I'm going to actually take the helping hand and put it in different functions or different uses, where it's doing soldering or where it's gluing parts that are being assembled for a model airplane, or where it's being used to do something else. And there'll be very short videos to give people an idea of the different ways that the helping hand can be used. So we're going to try to do as many of those videos as we can, but it takes a lot of time on my part to set these things up and come up with these different ideas and do a video of them and edit it and everything. So we'll try to get some of those videos out, and then we're going to get back to doing some videos of some of the actual manufacturing of the parts that we're doing, and I have several parts that I'm working on, new parts for the helping hand. We have done some revisions to the lap diner and have some of those ready to go, and we'll do some videos on those and try to get them. We're trying to get them on the website for sale as soon as possible. And other projects that we're working on, not only trying to improve what we already have, but coming up with new products and trying to get a little bit of time in on them, which is very difficult at this time. Well, that's all for now. So until the next time, happy printing.